Hello, and welcome to another failed broadcast, another failure of a podcast and gaming, whatever you want to call it. I just waste my time every day playing some shitty game. These days, games are so shitty. But hey, there's nothing else, nothing better to do in this world anyway, right? What else am I supposed to do in this stupid ass shitty world, man? Listen to society's expectations and I'm supposed to do this, I'm supposed to do that. It's all filled with shit and garbage. Society is total nonsense. Everybody hates somebody like me, somebody who has their shit sorted out, who doesn't depend on attention from others for validation of their life, who likes to do their own shit, who doesn't have to kiss somebody's ass or pretend to be some slave and do the same things every day over and over again. And people hate somebody like me, right? They can't stand somebody if they are doing something for themselves, they're being happy. They want you to do something for somebody else all the time. They want you to be a total hopeless idiot working for some slave corporation that doesn't give a F if you are alive. You'll be replaced before you can even think about having a steady life. You always have to know that that's never going to be a possibility. You have to keep on grinding like a stupid maniac, and they call it hard work. Oh, you have to hard work. Yeah, I have to do hard work. And that's why I don't give a F about hard work or grinding or anything. I'm just going to use trainers and cheats because I'm going to enjoy this game. I'm going to enjoy it. And because the art and the design is actually quite good. But what I don't like about this stupid dumb game, the made by total idiots who want to waste people's time, I don't get why they have to make it so confusing. It's every little step, from the first step you get pummeled by some trash mobs, okay? You get pummeled to the ground, you get your ass beat because of some trash mob, and that happens within the first 5 seconds of the game. So you instantly have to open Google. This whole game is a Google simulator, man. It's just ask people for help simulator. It's a brain dead handhold, please, I need to know exactly how to play this game kind of simulator, because the people don't give a fuck. Whoever made this game, it's okay, I'll just put some trash here and there. I'll just put some characters who talk in the most absurd way possible. You can't figure out what the F they are talking about. I just randomly, because when Miyazaki was a kid, Hidetaka Miyazaki or Hideo, I don't know what his name is. He was a kid. He used to randomly open up books and watch movies without understanding what the hell is going on. And he was literally illiterate. He couldn't read or write the language, right? So that is a definition of illiteracy. I mean, he could be literate in other languages, right? So, but his experiences growing up were that of being a total illiterate and not knowing what the hell is going on, right? Just looking at things like how I'm looking at this weird ass blacksmith who's just talking some shit, and there is no context to anything whatsoever in this game. What is going on in this game? I'm a tarnished. What does that mean? No, you have no idea what it is. And some people are racist towards the tarnished for some reason. Why? No idea. Because you don't know what a tarnished is. So Hidetaka Miyazaki wanted to emulate his own experiences. He wanted to emulate how it feels like to not know about anything going on in the game, right? That's how we want to, because that's how he grew up. He grew up reading and watching things. I'm guessing till the age of at least 30, or like till his first project as a game designer or a developer or whatever his job was. He was actually a totally, or he was role playing, LARPing as an illiterate guy. He decided that his entire work, his motives in his work are going to be based off not knowing anything what is going on. And so he made like this, he ripped off a game called Severance Blade of Darkness by Codemasters, which was released in 1999 or 98 or something. Total rip-off. And he made a very bad rip-off. Like, imagine 10 years after a game has been ripped off, the rip-off is after 10 years of technological progress and, you know, all the wisdom that game developers get, he made it worse, like 100 times worse than Severance Blade of Darkness. Severance Blade of Darkness is a long ass game, brutal, difficult, and has a similar combat system with dismemberment, which is so addictive, and it is way more realistic because unlike these stupid idiots, the trash mobs and everybody here, unless they are actually fighting with each other for specific reasons, when they attack and they swing their swords and what, their friends in their group are immune to it. Like, it's like friendly fire is off, which is total insanity, man. We play games for, you know, because they're fair. The rules are fair. Now he designs bosses and enemies based on total nonsensical rules. Like, when a boss is down or lying down, you're like waving and hitting at them, and no, they're not getting hit. But when you are down and the boss is repeatedly like slamming you, yeah, you're dead. So it's a very artificial bullshit gameplay loop that Hidetaka Miyazaki has like lied himself into believing that he's such a great developer. And the only real thing that these games ever managed to do was make good artwork, which the Japanese do that anyway, like most of the time, and music and all that. I mean, I give it that. Even the design, I mean, since the design is good, the characters and bosses would be good, but game is totally unfair bullshit slop filled with total unfair but yeah, I mean, it's kind of hard to enjoy this game because it's a Google simulator, man. Games need to be played like straightforward. And okay, if you don't want to make it straightforward, give side quests. So tedious everything in this game is, bro. It's made for losers, people who like to waste time. It's not even okay. Let's just be nice to people who play this game, but it's because I couldn't be bothered to replay some shit grind. I hate grinding, man. If your game requires grinding, don't make games. People just can't be bothered to waste their time grinding, bro. If your game is really worth it, then damn, that's powerful. Very powerful. Wow, you made the game easier. Makes me feel bad for cheating, but I don't. I mean, I don't because I cheated to get a total of 10,000 runes till now. Or maybe 20? I did it twice. I leveled up three, four times maybe using the runes. I can't be bothered to go and do the same fucking actions over and over again. I need to watch something, bro. This is too dull. This game is so dull. How can you play this game without falling asleep, man? Why do people like these kind of... And this was the best game. Oh, everybody loved it so much. Even the pigs will start hitting you. Everybody wants to kill you. Everybody wants to kill you. Nobody... They don't want to talk to you either, bro. All the normal NPCs just say like 2 lines. That's it. Do this thing for me. Oh yeah, I'm sitting here. Oh, I'm not going to move my ass. Just do this thing for me. Will you please? Okay. This happened and that happened. I'm sitting here. Do this thing, please. Please, will you? Please don't mind doing this for me.
Dark Souls back in 2011. They're only making Souls-like games in the first place because people like Demon Souls in 2009. And the incredible lore and story and world design their games are known.
What lore, bro? What incredible lore?
I don't know, Kingsfield? The point is, you do not get a game like Elden Ring first try. You can assemble a talented group of people to make something.
Yeah, because it's designed to waste your time. Elden Ring is designed to waste your time. It's not like the good old Diablo 2 days, where it was so exciting to just go ahead and play things and just kill people, find cool loot. Dude, why don't you hit him? What the fuck? This game is so stupid, man. I can't believe it, bro. I can't believe this game is so stupid. It's made for time-wasting idiots, bro.
Some companies are remastering focusing on new ones because it's money. GTA 6 is taking about a decade to make with an unhealthy long development cycle. The rumored cost $1 billion just to look at the companies like Microsoft and Nintendo are rare.
Keep spinning like a ballerina. Margaret the Fell ballerina, man.
Close an entire studio.
What a ballerina ass. Like, this is...
winning game. Meaning very few game devs have the ability to learn and iterate on prior releases.
Yeah, like Miyazaki doesn't.
Just get fired after one.
He likes to do the same things over and over. Yeah, we're gonna milk this mechanic as much as we can.
Like just recently, I saw a tweet regarding Helldivers. The game naturally took over the internet for a while. And this tweet was saying this game had completely fallen close to truly a downfall how a company turns their
Wow, he just goes crazy, man. He just makes sure that you cannot, like, defeat him. Ballerina. Margaret the ballerina. Margaret the ballerina.
On all of the things, but it had a balance. Some people didn't like, so they have to talk.
Margaret the Fell ballerina.
In fact, that's a very common way to speak.
Well, Omen shall brook thee no quarter.
Oh, finally that fucking nonsense is over, man. It wasn't rewarding, it was just a waste of time and gave me a headache. Nothing is rewarding about that. Nothing is rewarding about whoosh. Nothing rewarding about that. And it's not registering. The game is so unresponsive, doesn't register anything. It is still a very well-made game, but the difficulty makes it totally pointless, man. Like, why would you want to waste your time? No matter how beautiful or great anything can be, it just it just gives you very bad, leaves a very bad taste in. I'm just so happy. I'm just like, yeah, can you hear me well? I am just so happy. Woo, 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 woo. That I didn't waste my time grinding any of this. Because this is more exciting for me. Not dying in 2 seconds, like, dying in 2 seconds is not exciting and in a fight, but taking 2 minutes to reach that fight again, that's stupid. Like, that's really idiotic. And this is what I want, like amazing level design. This is what I consider really good level design. It is restrictive like a toy somebody made that, oh, they're building sand castles, nothing much, like, to make it exciting for... His trumpet got like cancelled, that was funny.
More money? So
More
what's
expensive.
the point? The point would be not to make it cheaper or more convenient for us, but not having to split that profit with a driver that works for you. It's the same, if not more, out of your pocket. as a
Scumbag,
customer.
that is
The whole
Miyazaki.
pie goes to them.
Miyazaki getting
That's
off of
considered
all that.
smart
Ah,
business
I
until no
I
one has any
traumatized
damn
the
money to
player.
spend. I mean, this type
Yeah.
of thing would require a completely new system for working. and
Miyazaki
living.
getting
Like,
off
even if most corporations had AI take
irritating
99% of the jobs in their companies, how the hell are they going to make a profit if 99%
feeling
of people
proud
are
of
out
himself.
Of work?
Yeah,
Right now, the
I'm
BB5
so
layer
cool.
burrito
I
at Taco
irritated the
Bell is
person who paid money to buy this
$4.59.
shitty
It was
game.
89 cents in 2009. 89 cents in 2009. Calculate work that's poured into every frame. But maybe I'm just afraid of change. So I decided to get cozy, sit down, and watch an AI video and have it all. First, I thought
Oh.
Panavision 7 Red and some of the other colors. First up, there's my lovely wife, Marge. She's the glue that holds the family together.
Miyazaki getting off on player irritation.
Always getting
They recorded him and as the death,
got a heart of
like
gold.
they recorded players' reactions when they throw it. Like, you know, you see all these compilations of reacting rage quit people breaking their like bloody people are breaking keyboards and throwing up and punching the screens. And Miyazaki, you know what Miyazaki does? He watches all of this. He watches all of these compilations of people losing they're probably ruining and like burning away a lot of money and showing the true psychotic side of them. Miyazaki watches all these reaction videos and then he arrives. He's like, and then that's how they record the death screams or moans when the player character dies. And I'm sure he does the female voices too. Like that's been nothing for him. Female voices too. Like that's been nothing for him. Ooh, Miyazaki. Ooh. Ooh. So artificial, man. It's all artificial, meant for the players to feel like trash.
Trying to make the world a better place. Now, there's Netflix.
For live action, while a shitty ass Ezra Bridger drives everyone.
He's a bit too perfect sometimes. Got my plans for work.
Enough! Oh.
Share a lot of laughs at the power plant.
Why should I bother playing this game? Why should I even bother? You tell me. Give me one reason.
I'm a pretty smart guy.
If they're just going to have unblockable, you can't
But not as strong
get them
as
out of their,
the
you
Hulk.
can't stun lock
Big
them,
green guy.
and then just keep doing it.
Hawkeyes
Give
here.
me
We
that
don't
move
really
then.
know what- No matter the genre, has one thing in common. They were all deeply, deeply sauceless. Just boring.
And there's a loading
uninspired
screen.
mashed
I'd rather play
collection
Witcher,
of other
right?
things I'd seen.
Enough of this.
There was no
I'm bored
vision,
of Elden
no
Ring now.
direction, no
My next
expression
stream is going
involved.
to be Witcher.
Like this one, Genesis, this movie entirely made
Quit,
by
quit,
AI
quit, quit. Enough
4K.
of this.
In a
Quit
fleeting
being.
heartbeat of time.
Need to eat.